Hello, good afternoon. My name is Daniela Atuesta.
Good afternoon. My name is Sebastián Sánchez.
Hello, Sebas. How are you? I wanted to ask you what color you like best between blue and black. To buy a cell phone, the truth is I am a little undecided.
Danny, the truth is like black more since it does good read and like look good.
And between the Samsung A51, this Huawei, or that iPhone, what do you think will be the best option, Sebas?
Really, iPhone is the best telephone but too personal that he like take away better it have out it for a look team.
Sebas, thank you for your advice, but the truth is I decided to buy the iPhone size. I like it more than the other option.
Uh, okay, Danny, green boot hit in mid time teeth on it more spirit, but it your light what fin.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.